Hello, I am Reham ALmalki, a business developer and current student in Master in Management at Prince Mohammed bin Salman College. Through this program, I am aiming to establish a startup that will add a value health sector by improving the performance of health services using novel methods. It's worth noting that women today having many opportunities within the 2030 vision, since the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia believes that the integration of relationship between the sexes is an ideal way to promote and protect human rights, emphasizing the effective effort made by Kingdom to achieve the equality between men and women in society. It was keen to allocate an independent strategic goal and the vision to increase women's participation in labor market and guarantee their rights in various fields: education, health, work, and that aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals. Here are some achievements: increasing the participation of women in labor market to 28%. The percentage of women's participation in jury council is 20%, in addition to allowing them to drive and appointing them to leadership positions. Under this support, today, as a Saudi woman, I am looking for the future.